None of them had noticed that someone else was there. Sleeping in that cave was a very cranky... Have you ever been asked this question?
Dad, can you put me story?
Can I put you in the story?
Yeah.
Wouldn't it be cool if you could say, yes, yes I can?
Then what you talking to?
Who am I talking to? I'm talking to these people. We're going to teach them. We're going to teach them how to write their own storybook and put their child in it. We will start off by thinking about what your child wants from the book by listening to their interest, or you could just ask them.
Hi, Dad.
But if you want to keep it a secret and are stuck for ideas, I will show you a great brainstorming exercise that you can do by combining two of your child's interests. Dinosaurs and robots, and combine them to make a story. We will look at different book designs from famous authors. I will show you how to add text and illustration to your book. I will show you how to insert any art form you choose into the book as the illustration. I'm talking pixel art, digital art, drawing by hand, paintings, real life photos, or if you prefer, I will show you a super easy way to use PowerPoint to insert pictures from the internet. You can even remove background, multiply, resize, and edit illustrations to your heart's content to make your loved one's book exactly how you envision it. I will show you how to draw on PowerPoint too, so you don't even have to leave the program. What? Did you hear that right? PowerPoint? Really? Yes, PowerPoint, the software that is available on every PC, everywhere. At home, at work, at the library. It is so powerful you can make a digital book with it. At this point, you could print it out and bind it into a physical book. But why stop there? Using the power of PowerPoint, I will teach you how to make your digital book read to your loved one in your own voice when they click the text of the book that you wrote. One day, Belisha is playing outside in her backyard when she hears the sound of tiny voices. I will teach you how to animate objects in your book so that they move and speak when your child interacts with them. I will teach you how to make Find the Object books, click and slide books. By the end of this course, your book will move, speak, read itself, interact with your loved ones, and even quack. But the best part about all this is that this book was made by you, with your ideas, your imagination, and even your voice reading the book to your loved one, and that is the most special part of all. I hope you can join me on this journey to write the children's book within you, and see the look on your loved one's face when they see what you made for them for the very first time.
What? How did he even make that?
So if you're a dad, mum, uncle, auntie, grandparent, cousin, or even a friend, if you have access to a computer with PowerPoint and have the time, I can show you how to make a great gift for the child in your life.